Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got Alva Marvel Sony a Blu-ray unboxing. And first time I'm going to be doing a Madam Web, which is the most recent Sony movie that's been released. We got the characters on the front of the case here. And here's the back of the case. On the top it says a visually stunning square wide, with all the characters on the back here too. And also some special features. Now let's cut the plastic open and open the Blu-ray case and show the Blu-ray that is in here. Now that the plastic off, now let's open up the Blu-ray case. And this is what the Blu-ray disc looks like within the Madam Web Blu-ray case. We got Madam Web herself right on her Blu-ray disc. And that's about it for today's Marvel Sony unboxing. If you enjoyed today's video, you make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when new videos upload to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.